I was just gonna say, if you guys send a swan, if you guys send me the swan, I will follow you back. That's like my favorite. It's like, I think it's so beautiful. So if you guys want me to follow you back, send me that swan, and I really will. I will follow you back right here on the spot. A lot of the people I'm following, like 10 of the people I'm following, it's because they sent the swan. So the other 5 people, it's because I actually know them. Come here, Odin. I got your orange. No, I'm not gonna feed it to you. What the fuck? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys more than you know. Everybody hit that like button, hit that follow button, go to my video, my pinned post on my post, and like it. Or share it, all that. Give me some love. Huh?
The cat want it?
No, the cat doesn't want it. If you're not gonna eat it, put it on the table because Rocky will.
The Rocky?
Yeah, he loves oranges.
Chicken nuggets!
No, no chicken nuggets.
Please. I eat bread.
I'm gonna make some bagels. Making eggs, and I'm making bacon. Hey Preston, thank you. I appreciate that. I'll be going live all day today. I'm trying to get to 65,000 followers, and I'm also trying to get that video to 1,000 likes by today, because if we do by 7 p.m. today, I will win a competition, and it'd be amazing. Help me win, guys. Help me win.
I want to eat some cheese. I want to eat some. I want to eat some.
Okay.
I want to eat cheese. I want to eat cheese.
You know the best part about being at Auntie's house? That I take really good care of you all the time. You always are getting fed yummy food. Hey, back up. Garbage again. I took it out 4 times yesterday, and I took out the bathroom garbage. I did the kitty litter. Thank you so much. Good luck. Thank you guys for joining my fan club. Thank you to Preston for all the gifts he gave earlier. Thank you guys. I appreciate you very much. I don't think I want the mixed berry today. I think I want a piece of cheese. I want a piece of cheese on mine. Oh wait, but they're gonna want the mixed berry for sure.
Help! I'm stuck.
Well, I guess you should not have gone in there, because you're gonna have to figure it out. I'm not figuring it out for you.